In this episode, I get myself unstuck from, no, not a rabbit hole, a rock hole. Look, I know it's been done before, but I woke up in an ice machine, ready to go. All right, another day, and we're gonna go with Tang and Propel as a pre-workout drink. Skies are looking like this. I think this is gonna be really good. Everybody, it's Sunday, and today we're gonna try the effectiveness of an open water bottle to de-escalate a situation. Freshly moved out of that house. What's happening? The lady is just texting me over and over and over that she's gonna do this and she's gonna do that, yet she owes me the deposit, and it's really turned into a bad situation on my phone where she's just texting the most random, insulting, wrong information about me, and I don't even know this lady. I've literally only seen her about 4 or 5 times. So here we are. We're waiting to move into the new place. It's Sunday. Everything's out of the car. Rent and deposit is paid on the new place. Got tons of clouds in the sky. And like I said, today we're going to try the open water bottle effect. So if anybody tries to, well, we're going to de-escalate it by doing this. No, but seriously, we are wasting the day looking for little bits of side jobs and just trying to get the day on with. Monday is going to be super important. Got laundry, move into the new place, and then, yeah, we're just going to keep it going. It's Sunday, waiting on the storm, just kind of storm watching right now, just kind of hunkering down and staying fit, working out, and it's showing. Let's get into Sunday, open water bottle day. Remnants of the flood is all this zero landscaping rock is just all over the place. Look at this, a huge, massive pile of landscaping that just got washed down into the road. That is crazy. Jeez Louise. See the rocks everywhere in the road? This is unbelievable. This is actually what I was driving in when I was driving up the road, and you can hear the rocks and all the chaos under the car. I was like, it doesn't feel like I'm on a road, and this is why. All the rocks got washed in the road. Wow, there's some big ones too. No wonder it felt like that. Okay, so now we know. All right, on for the mission today. Sunday mission, fun day, of course. Let's go. Honey, I need love. I need it all the time. All right, guys, we're at the store. We got some items to last for the evening since the new place isn't ready. And we're gonna be headed right up there to the Red Rocks. Pretty excited about that. Let's go check out these Red Rocks. Let's go. That is where we're headed, the beautiful Red Rocks. I'm gonna get there some way. I'm sure this is the road to get to it. My first time going, and we'll figure this out. The Red Rocks, not the casino, but the actual Red Rocks. That was so sick. All right, you guys, we've made it to the Red Rock Canyon. Here is the entrance, and we're gonna make our way right over here. Here's the view coming into Red Rock Canyon. I tell you what, it is so crispy. Look at that. Just, would you look at that? I'm gonna get closer. I'm just really intrigued by that red band you see in the middle of the mountains there. Like I said, I'm gonna get closer. All right, we're getting a lot closer. Once again, the roads are washed out from the floods, but I don't know if you could tell the brilliance of the red rock in front of me, but it's actually so red. It's absolutely brilliant. I'm headed that way. Almost there. We'll get you some better shot. Oh, look at, there's a little camping up here. Oh, and there's some houses. No way. Look at this wash. You know, this was totally flooded. And here goes the journey. I'm only taking this little mission out here because, like I said, it's Sunday. We're gonna try and do some active stuff. Already been to the gym. Actually, I've already done 2 workouts today. Oh, we have a map here, a little station. And then it goes up to the Red Rocks. I really want to get closer. I want some. So that's the goal right now. How cool is this? Check it out, it's a little Adobe Hut. Scenery is totally flawless. Here we go, Red Spring. Red Spring. Little parking area, a little mountain of walls to go climb around on. So sick. So sick. All right, let's find some parking. Wow, what a very cool little spot. Look at that wall of rock. Unbelievable. Then the Red Spring over there. Okay, let's do this. Oh, look, there's a little path up there I see. Look at that. And debris all over the road. Remnants from the flood. It's a bunch of rocks. Pretty much it's the rocks that are a problem. Can you see those people way up there at the top? Way up at the top. Pretty cool. I want to get over here, but I also want to get up there. So, we'll see how far I get. Check out this rock. It's just cool. You can kind of like walk up it. And I've made it up here. And this is what I'm looking at. Whoa. Okay. Here we go. Find a crevice. Find grab points. Make my way up. Ooh, look at that. Made it this far. We're on the rock that overlooks it all. Pretty cool. I guess I climbed up here. Here's the valley. There we go there. Okay, I made it even further as we trip along the red rock. The view looks a little something like this. Pretty cool. Super red rock. Kind of red rock, a lot of crevices. A lot of places to climb and grab onto. A little exercise. Of course, I am parked way down there. We got bike trails that go all along here, all up into the depths. Yeah. And then Las Vegas is way over there. There it is. And then that would be the Red Rock Casino. Honestly, this rock is so trippy. Look at the different colors in it. It's so pronounced. Look at that. Like, what in the heck? Absolutely captivating with the blue sky behind me. Gotta say, pretty cool. I'm just traversing. Whoa. Very cool. And then it's like in these crevices that it comes out to the view. Wow. Okay, let me figure out how to get to the other side. Probably climbing. I doubt there's an Uber up here, huh? Uber Lyft? For instance, I was able to climb up the side of that rock to get all the way up here. There's just so many crevasses. Is that what it means? Crevasses. Making the way, steps and ledges all the way up. And here's the face. Just basically finding little footholes, crevasses, and then traversing pretty much. I'm gonna get to the top. It's way up there. One step at a time. Wow, look at this. What the heck? It's a little freaking cave. Cool. All right. Oh, there's a couple of them. Almost to the top. Oh. Just kidding. Rock climbing here. So you see how this side is looking like this? And if you simply just kind of trot along this edge, and you're looking at a whole different face. Very different having to take your lines So I was kind of lucky when I came over here, and you should never be out by yourself. When I came over here, wow, it's a lot easier to get to the top. I've already come so far. Once again, the city's way down there, making my way to the highest point. Yep. Once again, don't ever do this by yourself. But you know what? If I didn't do it now, I'd probably never do it. So cool. I chose this way instead of that way. Either way was a bit challenging. It's not really a technical mountain, but there are some pieces. Sorry, totally winded. They're pretty technical, like getting around this huge orb. And like this face right here where you have all these ledges. Same with right here. That to go. Figuring I would take that route, or maybe even this route, a little scamper route, or another cool spot. Got to duck into this little cove. And looks like that. Pretty cool. I mean, there's a lot of grip here. See all the little steps, but it is kind of technical. Anyways, we've made it to the cave. It's a huge rock that looks like it's about ready to fall, and it has another rock to support it, but it's not touching it yet. So the rock is there, and it's not too scary, but it is. Just because. Is it touching? No, it's not touching. Here it is. Seriously, what the f is that? Fucking flew by me at like at least 45 miles an hour. Okay, once you come up that front side, look at this. It gets you a little elevation here. Look at this amazing, spectacular view. Oh. Wow. So we got those behemoth mountains over there, and then right in front, these deep red rock mountains here. It's cool, huh? Now I'm almost at the top here, but there is a valley and a trail. So interesting. To the top. In this episode, I get myself unstuck from, no, not a rabbit hole, a rock hole. See, there's rocks on all sides of me. So therefore, here we go. Getting me unstuck out of a rock hole. Claustrophobia! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! Look, I found water. Very important in a situation like this. Look at the view. Look at these two massive spheres. If I little bit, there's that sphere there. This is freaking cool. My descent has brought me here to these massive rock faces. I don't even know what the frick I'm doing. I was like, let me start with a picture, and then ended up with a whole vlog of being sightseer. Okay, still making my way down. You should never do this alone. Let me just stress. Thankfully, I'm fit, totally trained. I'm pretty much a professional. I've done a lot of this for a long time. Oh, look at that. Cool. And to be very factual, I have totally completed all of the rappelling, ascending, descending classes at Joshua Tree. So yes. Oh, that looks amazing. Amazing crevasse. Let's get down. We have water in the car. And I'm picking up some stuff on the way. So it looks like I came down the wrong way. There's a lot of trees right here. So it looks like if I get down, then I'm just going to be in a bank of trees. But the little path is right there, and the little fence is right there. I'm so close. Oh wait a minute. Right there. Okay, side route. First I have to get down here. Not too technical, but there's a little bit of water here and there. Oh, see? So it makes it for real slick sometimes. Good thing there's a lot of ledges. I'm pretty much a good climber anyways. But it's the perfect rock formations. How fun. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my pocket before I just destroy my phone on the last leg of the trip. Made it to the fence. Here's the trail. I just need to get some water. I came down the wrong way, but there's a mountain. So cool. Made it to the parking lot. Somebody busted out the Ferrari, huh? The Ferrari. And so this would be the second parking lot off to the side here. And we have pulled up to the second location. Got some gear happen. And trust me, I can't stress enough not to do this. You don't go out and climb by yourself ever. It's so unsafe. But would you look at that? All right, well, gotta do it. Climbers, after rain, do not climb sandstone. Okay, here's the rattlesnake path. Uh-oh. These warning signs are everywhere. Uh-oh. What? No way. This looks so beautiful right now. Those are people right there. We traveled all the way up and then came all the way down this face earlier today. So all these signs are popping up everywhere. And you know what's funny? We came in from this back part right here. This is where we came down and then came right in over this, and the first thing I saw was this. Oh my gosh. I could have gotten bitten by a rattlesnake. Look at it right there. Seems so scary walking along here. It basically says, stay on boardwalk. Wow. And look at, they're just chilling on a little patio. A lot of snakes in that grass. There's a lot of snakes in this grass. Oh, look at it. See? Told ya. Filled to the brim with rattlesnakes. Huh. Here I am. Look at there they are again. Oh my gosh. Crazy. This is what we came down today right here. And then had to come over to get onto this. Little did we know, it's a freaking rattlesnake habitat. Oh my gosh. But we made it. We started here, went along that side, and then came down. Plenty of people along the way, so I wasn't by myself, but make sure you always have a partner when you go out and do these types of adventures. It's just totally not safe to do it by yourself. Okay, I've made it to these benches. These are some benches that they supply on this little deck, and you're surrounded by rattlesnakes. It's completely infested. So this is where you would hold a conversation surrounded by snakes. Just checking in. On our way out, 2 more. Boom, boom, rattlesnakes everywhere. Rattlesnakes everywhere. Whew. Pretty sketch. And this is the little path that we're gonna take. We're gonna go zigzag. There's the mountains. Let's go. And then I came across this. What? Like this? All right, this one is tricky. Tricky. That was really cool. And now I'm looking at these and there's a couple. Technical. So I'm upside down right here. Just work my way up. Ooh. Then around here, there's that. Check it out though. Not bad for an afternoon workout, eh? Climbing a rock? Yeah. Already got the chalk holds on here. It's been fun so far. See, I already nailed that one. Nailed the one on the front. Now these start off real low. Then you're gonna come up here and grab. And I guess that's as far as they go. Let's get up there. And then here, you gotta appreciate a cold rock and a warm crevasse. Yeah. There isn't any chalk here that you can go all the way up. Probably keeping it clean. This is the rock. This is the big one. Look at all the way to the top. Wow. No way. Yeah, I don't know if I can do all that. Let me give it a shot. Of course, it's only me out here, so I can't be just, I'm gonna do my best here. Let's get a shot. Me trying to do that. Oh, look at it, it's already up to that point. All right, so over here we have the warm crevasse rock and the don't you dare feature. The don't you dare. All right, I'm gonna throw this in a little upload and get it out to you. Wait. And you know what, you guys, if you're ever out and about on these kind of trails, it's always a good thing to have Onyx OffRoad. And with Onyx OffRoad, you can access any kind of map there is after you download them before you go on your little mission. When you hit the trails, make sure you download Onyx OffRoad so you are never without information of knowing where to go. All right, that was the end of the trail. We're gonna find out what it was because I went backwards. Ooh, Craft Mountain. So it's the legendary, what, dude? Climb that bad boy, what, dude? Sick. Sick little Sunday stroll, if I do say so myself. I think I'm parked up there somewhere. Oh my gosh, look at the view. Ending the day with some Don Don taco. It's so freaking good. The bean and cheese burrito, it's like $4. These bussin' gas. Got a little yogurt, got a little Don Don taco. Right there, if you don't know, just be hitting right now. Look at that bean and cheese burrito. Freaking huge. So there it was. Went and climbed some mountain. The Red Rocks. We're gonna eat up, do a little workout, hop in the shower, and let's end it here. End it with the bomb. The bomb. End it with Don Don taco.